Dito kami sa Netherlands. Duterte.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our program. May you continue to uphold excellence, integrity, and service in the field of criminology. Thank you all for coming and have a great day ahead. Before we exit, just a few more reminders, okay? You may see
Congrats po, congrats. Congrats sa inyo, sir. Ingat po kayo. Congrats po. Hanap mo yun yan.
Maraming salamat po aming mga ina at ama. Okay, alam niyo na kung ano yung mangyayari mamaya, magpapalibre pa rin sila sa inyo. Mag-glow-glow out pa rin sila sa inyo. So, salamat po. You will not take your seat. Purpose and dream is good for me. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi sa akin lahat at enjoy your celebration. Mabuhay!
within yourself. Magandang hapon. Mabuhay!
Provided for under the provisions of RA 11131, your membership therefore is a fulfillment of the mandates of the state your name, of state your address. After having been accepted as a member of the Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines, the Integrated Association of Criminologists in the Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear and affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance, obey, support, and defend the Constitution and bylaws of PICA, the Philippine Constitution, the Criminology Professional Regulatory Law, the laws of the land, the programs, policies, and principles of PICA, and the Criminology's Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. That I will heartily accept these obligations. I will faithfully and conscientiously perform my responsibilities as a member of PICA, and that I impose these obligations upon myself in the free exercise. You may put your hands down. Pursuant to the provisions of RA 11131 and the issuances of the Professional Regulatory Board of Criminology and the Professional Regulation Commission, and in accordance with the Constitution and bylaws, and proclaim you as regular members of the Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines. Mabuhay! Yung may pin sa pick-up, kunin niyo po yung pin as your seatmate.